Consumer cellular flip phones prioritize simplicity, but issues arise. The top problems are battery drain, network connectivity, and screen freezes. Battery issues. If your phone dies quickly, the battery might be old. Lithium ion batteries degrade after 1 to 2 years. Consider a replacement. No service errors often stem from outdated APN settings. Check your SIM card is fully inserted and compatible with Consumer Cellular. Update APN settings in mobile networks with name Consumer Cellular and APN CCNet. Screen freezes. Try a soft reset first. If that fails, check for firmware updates on Consumer Cellular's website and update via USB. Most flip phone problems are hardware related and solvable with basic steps. For charging problems, clean the charging port with compressed air. If that doesn't work, consider a new battery. For an unresponsive screen, try holding the power and volume down buttons for 10 seconds to factory reset. Note this will erase your data, so back it up when possible. Many users successfully troubleshoot issues themselves. Online guides and forums are available to help. Important tip: avoid water exposure to prevent further damage. Most models are not waterproof.